Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your laptop battery is plugged in but battery is not charging. Your laptop is not charging. So how can you fix it, or how can you solve this problem? So firstly you just need to check two things. First one is your laptop charger and second one is laptop battery. If your laptop battery and charger is okay, then it's okay, and if anyone is damaged or something wrong, you just need to change this. And after that, if your laptop and charger is okay, then you just need to follow some steps for solve this problem. So you just need to go on this start button and right click on your mouse, and then you should go device manager. So here you can see, and you just need to select on this batteries option at first. Second option, so click on this arrow. Now you can see Microsoft AC adapter, so select on it and right click on your mouse, and then you can see there have an option for update driver. So you just need to select on this update driver. You just need to update this driver, and after that you need to restart your you just need to restart your laptop. And after restart your laptop, I hope battery is not charging problem already solved. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.